Hello, it's Angela, and today I can share with you this V&A Papercraft collection. I'm part of the Trimcraft design team, and we were asked if we would like to work with the products and contribute some projects to the collection. This is now on sale. In fact, I saw a copy in WH Smith's the other day, and I think it's in Tesco's and all good stores that sell these box kits. Now, it's substantially more than the magazines. You get quite a few items in there, and you also get the inspiration for using your products. This one is a collaboration that Trimcraft did with the V&A Museum in London, and it takes elements from their beautiful fabrics and wallpapers, pretty designs, and also there are stamps and dies, and it's just a really nice classy collection. And if you've seen some of the previous Trimcraft paper packs, the pads and the embellishments, you'll know that the V&A designs are really something special. So I was really thrilled to be asked to work on this one, and what you get is this box here, and inside you get quite a few papers. I'm not sure exactly how many there are, but they're double-sided, and these involve, wow, look at these, some of these are taken from the fabrics and the wallpaper designs. There are also elements that you can cut out with sentiments, and the papers are double-sided, so you can mix and match, and you get more than one of each, so you've got plenty to choose from. I like that with the stylised flowers and leaves, and they're just really pretty. My favourite one actually is probably this one. Can you see the birds on there? And I just think the colour tones are really pretty in there with the flowers, but it's those birds, they are my favourite. So that's one of the elements in the kit, is the papers. Speaking about the birds, you can imagine how delighted I was when I was asked if I would focus on the stamps and dies for this kit. So my projects in there will feature these stamps. I've tried to use, I think, all of them. I think all of them have been used. My favourite, of course, was this one here, this bird. I just think it's really, really pretty. It's a beautiful size, and it is something special. We have the florals here and the leaves. I do like that the leaves are separate, because you can build up your stems, you can build up a design, and you can make it how you want it to be. You're not set with just, you know, one flower with one leaf. You can build this up to be something substantial. You also get a number of sentiments, everything from get well soon, heartfelt thanks, thinking of you, birthday one there, anniversary, especially for you. I think there's 6 sentiments, and I do believe I've used every one of them. Not all on the same card, but I've made 6 cards, so we have 6 sentiments. You'll see that these flowers here are a nesting flower, and those work really well with the other element in the box, which is this 7 cutting dies. Now this one here, they're joined together, but those are the dies that tie up with these little nesting flowers here. And in the magazine you'll find that there's some quick photos. I've done some step-by-steps to show you how to basically line those up. Now you get them and they're joined together. They easily come apart. I don't even have any of those die snips. I don't have anything professional like that. So basically I've just easily jiggle them apart. Now to weaken them a little bit more, if you've got weak wrists, I actually have weak wrists, but I didn't have a problem separating them, but you could run them through your die cutter just on some scrap card a few times, and that will sort of weaken it anyway. Now, so you get those for the nesting flowers. You get this one which ties up with, I think it's, now is it, I think I've used it for both of them, for those. That one there, and that one is the leaf. Now you'll see there's 2 other leaves in there. These ones are quite special because rather than the frame style leaf, these actually have an embossed vein effect. So you can cut those from green coloured card or whatever colour your scheme is, and this will emboss the nice, cut the and deep line into them for you, so you get extra detail. So those are the stamps and dies which I was thrilled to work with. Now one of the other elements in the box is this embossing folder. Now I've had a look through the magazine, and there are some beautiful projects using it just as an embossing folder, or inking it up and doing some letterpress techniques with it. I didn't get a chance to use this myself, but I will remedy that, and I will have a play with that at some point. Right now, one of the most important parts of the kit is you've got the products, what do you do with them? Well, in here we have 64 exclusive projects. Now, I was involved in 6 of them. Other members of the design team are in there. I think that one's Sam's, and I think some other ladies from one of the publications are in there too. That's one of mine on there. Yeah, we've got everything from some home decor items to shape cards. Oh, that one's mine there. The little bird on there, look. But there's all sorts in there, and they cover everything, and different designers have focused on different elements. So if you're looking at my projects, mine are focusing on the stamps and dies. Some are focusing on the paper packs, some are looking at masculine makes, some are looking at florals. So there is something to suit everyone in there. Now, there's 60 odd pages. What we got, 66, 67, 68 pages in there. I mean, it is jam-packed full of projects. This is my section here, which is the focus on the stamps and dies. I have that framed shadow card there, using the stamps and dies. I have an easel card, I've got an anniversary card, and what else? I think I've got, oh yes, I've got a shape card. I'm using distress oxides, I'm using sparkle pens there, aqua pens. I've got some heat embossing going on, and I've also got a pop-up box card. So I've tried to cover as many sort of shapes and ideas as I can. There are other ideas in here focusing on the papers, and I mean, it is jam-packed, and I was really thrilled to look through it, and I thought, you know, that is a really good put together collection of products and inspiration for you all. So basically that's what's in the kit, and thank you for looking. Thank you, bye bye.